Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the BONK update today. BONK is trading at 3304. Previously this technical target was really met, but unfortunately we talked about a potential pennant here that was meant for BONK to come up to this target. That was left and it couldn't actually do that. We saw Bitcoin coming down, and then this was in the mood of also retracing to the downside. Now the question is, where exactly do we go now? Now there's a little bit of an issue here, and I'm going to address that little bit of a problem that is happening. So coming up to 4434, I'm actually going to do some cleanup, I guess. I'm going to remove, I think I'm going to remove drawings. So I'm going to start off clean. So number one is that you failed to break the all-time high to make a new all-time high, if it does make any sense. So this is not good. That's a problem. I've given you the target. 4404 was always expected. That has been met. Okay, we've done that, and we did that very, very beautifully. We talked about inverse head and shoulders and breaking up and coming to that target. We did that. We did the banking system. That is met. And by the way, do help me to get to 30,000 subs. I'm actually sitting at 24, and a lot of you are taking action. So this is a challenge within 20 days before my birthday's up. Can I get to 30,000? That would be amazing. And also BONK now has pretty much made a little bit of ascending. This is known as ascending broadening wedge, I guess. So this is the opposite of a rising wedge. So you can see that this was a little bit of a bearish pattern. I think I didn't really remember telling you this in the previous videos, but this is actually a pattern that is bearish, and you have a technical target. I'm going to tell you where it comes down. So it's going to be 3021. That's where exactly you have your technical target. You went up, came down, and down. You come down to where you exactly started off the pattern. Now when you come to 3021, we will see what happens next. Does this hold? Okay. Does it go below? We're going to do another update. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.